Motorola is back in the budget smartphone game with a bang, unveiling fresh 2026 versions of its popular Moto G and Moto G Play. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Moto G and Moto G Play combine sleek style, solid tech upgrades, and wallet-friendly prices. Those aren't just minor refreshes. They pack powerful features that make even high-end phones sweat. Both phones have massive 6.7-inch displays with 120Hz refresh rates and 1000 nit peak brightness. Perfect for binge watching, gaming, or scrolling through your socials in blazing sunlight. Photography lovers will be pleased as the Moto G rocks a 50-megapixel main camera and 32-megapixel front shooter, while the Moto G Play offers a 32-megapixel rear camera and 8-megapixel selfie cam with quad-pixel technology, making sure you get detailed photos no matter the lighting, from sunny afternoons to dusky evenings. Battery life won't leave you hanging either. Both devices pack a 5200 mAh battery with 30-watt quick charging for the Moto G and 18-watt for the Moto G Play. Durability remains a priority too, with Gorilla Glass 3 screens and IP52 water resistance on both models. Let's talk about style now. Motorola is turning heads with new Pantone-inspired colors. The Moto G is Slipstream Gray and Cattleya Orchid Purple, while the Moto G Play comes in Tapestry Blue with a leather-like aesthetic that's surprisingly premium for the price. And oh, the price! They're irresistibly low. The Moto G starts at $200, hitting Motorola's website on December 11th, and the Moto G Play goes for just $170, available online from November 13th, and rolling out in stores soon after. Motorola's 2026 Moto G lineup proves budget phones can still impress in a big way. So, which one are you getting? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.